Where's Ryan? Oh my goodness! Hi, what are you doing there? What do you want? I know. What? What's over there? Touch it. You want to touch the fuzzy? Touch fuzzy. Touch it. No? What's that, Mama? Oh, did you come over here to poopy? I smell poopy. I think you're poopy. It's okay. You can just tell Mama. Smilinguido. Smilinguido. Can you say smilinguido? Smilinguido. Beijo. Oh, yay. Oh, you have lipstick on you now, huh? You come all the way over here to poopy, yeah? Want to poop in private, huh? You don't want to poop in front of Mom and Dad. That Mama's annoying. Come over here with the camera. Right? Mama's annoying. Hey man, what are you doing? Are you taking things out? No? Whoa, what is it? You want to look at this? He has a kitty cat, huh? Is that what you want to see? Can you say cat? Can you say cat? Can you say gatinho? Yeah, hold on. Can we say gatinho? Yay! Okay, go with Daddy. He's gonna change, okay? Say, Daddy, change me. Bye-bye.